Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at a newly launched token called RECALL, as you can see here, and the ticker is also RECALL. And the token did launch like yesterday, and as of now it is like going down. So it is like below when its launch price, which was at like 35 cent, and now it just hit like 31 cent, as you can see here, and the overall market is going down. So I think that is to be expected from these newly launched tokens. So let's break it down. What is the recall and what it does and what it offers. Now if we look at their website, they are saying that like tokenized markets for the AI. I'm not even sure how do you tokenize AI markets. I don't know, because like how do you tokenize AI? Anyways, now if we look here, basically this is like their overview. So let's just look at it. So RECALL is a decentralized skill market for AI where communities fund, rank, and discover the AI solutions they need, instead of corporations pushing one size fits all AI. RECALL flips the dynamic communities signal model. As you can see here, developers compete to deliver and performance determines visibility. So basically the recall, this is how it works. So they have like different, I think, competitions going on. So this is how the app looks like. So as of now, if we look at like their current competitions, all of them are mostly trading based, as you can see here. So it seems like that it is similar to, I would say, they are only like holding trading competitions. I'm not sure, is that I think it is most likely because that they are working on like AI based trading or something like that. But again, this is what they have, and now in like 6 days they have new competition coming up as well, as you can see. Anyways, after that, if you just look here, so communities fund skills by staking recall tokens to signal demand. So basically you go here and you do the staking, and if you do click here, you do need to sign in, which I'm not going to do because I do not hold any recall token. So basically you stake the coin to get boost, use boost to compete or curate AI agents, and recall when they win. So that is what they have. If we look here, developers build specialized AI to capture market rewards. So I think these are the different markets that they have, as you can see here. After that, agents compete in a real world challenges with the recall at stake, as you can see. So basically it seems like that the agents are competing here, as you can see here. If you look here, communities validate by backing winners with their own recall token. After that, users discover AI through rankings backed by the economic reality. So that is what they are going with. So basically it is like for the AI users who like to use AI in trading, I would say. After that, it is also for the builders who build these different models to basically compete in these competitions. That is what I'm getting. If I'm wrong, you can please just correct me in the comment section below. Anyways, so that is what we have. So if you look at the token, so they did launch, and the token is available on Bybit, Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Bitget, Gate.io, Maxi, KuCoin, BingX. So pretty big listings, and it has a market cap of like 66 million as of now, which is like, I would say, fairly good for a newly launched token. And if we just go to the tokenomics of this like token, the token is used for the native assets. Participants pay fees and earn rewards in recall. Stake to participate. So participants stake recall to access core features of skills markets such as AI curation and market funding. So I think that's really good. So you do need like a recall token to basically access these different AI curation or market funds, as you can see here. After that, there is market security. Participants check recall to guarantee honest evaluations that secure trusted rankings and resolve like market outcomes. And after that, it will also be used for like network governance and decentralization. And I think this will most likely happen in the future, because as of now I could not actually see any links on their website for the governance page. Anyways, now if we look here, the token has a max supply of 1 billion, out of which 200 million is in the circulation, and the early investors get like 29%, which is a lot. Founding contributors get like 21%, and 30% goes to the community and ecosystem. and 10% goes to the airdrop, and 10% goes to the Recall Foundation, as you can see. Now when it comes to token unlocks, so basically as of now, like investors as well as founding contributors, and like I think some of the tokens from the Recall Foundations are locked, and as of now we have like only airdrop and some like community funds and ecosystem tokens unlocked, as you can see. And after 12 months we'll see a massive like token unlocks. So this token will most likely see a massive sell pressure in 2026. So as of now, if like they announce something big, the token actually could take off because it doesn't have additional like sell pressure from these entities. Now if you look at the token itself, as of now, from what I can see, there I think most if we look at the sell pressure, this is most likely because of airdrop farmers, most likely. So the airdrop farmers could be selling like recalls that they got for free, so that could be the reason why the token is going down. And if we just look here, they did partner with Eigencloud, which could be like a really big one. So if this should have a really good impact on, like I would say, Recall, but as of now we don't have any like response. If we look here, it happened like 21 minutes ago, and we are in like 15 minutes charts as of now, and at least we are not like seeing any more sell pressure. But again, this is a pretty good one for them, I would say, because if you look at their following, Eigen does have a massive following, and Eigen is like one of the biggest, I would say, platform by the TVL. Now if we look at other things, so we don't have anything else. So they did have like this hyper liquid trading challenge coming on soon, so that could be good one for the Recall. But as of now we don't have anything else. We did get some listings, but again I think considering its market cap as of now, I think it should like see at least one surge before like going down, because as of now overall market is not doing that well. But I think if the market like holds is if the BTC holds, or even if the BTC stops going down, I think the possibility of Recall going high is there, because the token just launched. So I think there's a possibility that it may actually go up. And considering what they are doing, they are basically holding different competitions, and I think that could be a really good thing, because there are a lot of like builders as well as peoples as well as users who really like these kind of things. So I'm looking at the Recall, and I think there could be a really good like demand for the Recall in the future. But as of now, again, it already has a massive market cap of 66 million. So as of now, I would give this like 100 to 150 million market cap range if it does go up. So I think it can recover as high as like 77 or even 70 cent. But again, there are, I think, most likely a lot there are other projects that are doing the similar thing. So I'm looking at the Recall, and I think after like one good surge, like let's say as high as 63 cent, or even like as high as 84, or even, but as of now I think like it can run for the 63 cent, but after that it may eventually go down, and it may actually see pumps from time to time, and it may go down. So basically I think this is going to be a token that will see like pumps from time to time. Whenever they announce new challenge, the token will most likely go up, and after that it will most likely go down. That is what I'm expecting from this token. And as of now, if we can get a breakout from this level, I think it could be a really good one. So if it can break up from here, I think it can push for that 42 or even like 62 is a possibility, because as of now overall market is going down. So Recall is going down with the market. But I think once the market does find a support, I think Recall will most likely see a really good bounce back, because it launched yesterday. So I think there are a lot of traders who are keeping an eye on this token, and I think we may see one surge from this token. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will be back with more. Thank you.